Do you know Hollywood has spent $178 million just to show you how Git works? Not just that, they have even featured Tom Cruise to do that. Let me first explain what Git is using an example, then I will come back to Hollywood and Tom Cruise. For example, you're playing a game. Stage 1, you cleared it perfectly, saved it as a checkpoint number 1. Stage 2, you cleared it perfectly, saved it as a checkpoint number 2. Same with stage number 3, saved it as a checkpoint number 3. Started stage number 4. In the beginning, you lost all your lives. Game over. Does that mean you have to start from the beginning? No, you can start from those saved checkpoints. Ideally, you would start from checkpoint number 3. You went back to checkpoint number 3, started stage 4, and you lost the lives exactly the same way. Maybe the problem happened after checkpoint number 2 instead of checkpoint number 3. Let's go back to checkpoint number 2. Do some changes, clear stage number 3, then start stage number 4, and let's see what happens. You lost all your lives exactly the same way. Maybe you took a wrong turn after checkpoint number 1 instead. Let's revert back to checkpoint number 1. Do some changes, clear stage 2, do some changes, clear stage 3, attempt stage number 4. You cleared it. Game over. You won. Now think about it. What if a software lets you do that? You guessed it right. That is what Git does. It lets you move back and forth between checkpoints. Those checkpoints are just snapshots of your code that you save them as different versions, and you have the ability to go back and forth between those versions depending on your need. Now, let's come back to Hollywood and Tom Cruise. I would recommend you to go and watch the movie Edge of Tomorrow. It is a perfect way to show how Git works, just like the example I used. If you have watched that movie, comment down below what you think. If not, I would recommend you to watch it for educational purposes. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.